Hello everyone, my name is Shrutika Gadhe from TY Electrical. So today I will be demonstrating a practical on Docker. So Docker is basically a tool which is used to create, run and deploy applications in a container. So now let us see how to pull an image of Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is an OS. So for pulling an image we will use a command called docker pull. So here we are going to pull the latest image of Ubuntu. Now we can see that the pulling of the image is completed. Now we have to create a container for Ubuntu, and for that we are going to use a command called docker run. Now here we are going to use this command called docker run, and which is we are going to use it in a bin bash mode. So yes, the container of Ubuntu is created, and now we are in the root of Ubuntu. So ls is a simple Linux command, and now we are going to see if our container is created or not. So for that we are going to use a command called docker ps. Now here we can see that the image of our Ubuntu is created and the container ID is this, and we have created it in a bin bash mode. So now since Ubuntu is an operating system, so likewise we can also create an image of an application. So for that we are going to see an example of Nginx. So again we are going to pull the image of Nginx same as that we have pulled of Ubuntu. So the pulling of the image is going on. Yes, the pulling is done. Now we are going to see we are going to create a container for Nginx as well. So in this case also we have to use docker run command, but we have to give the name while creating this. So we also have to change the container IP. So I'm just going to change it. Let's change the name to IAC23. Yes. So the container for Nginx is created. So again, we are going to use a command called docker ps. So here we can see that this is the container ID and the images of Nginx. This is the port number. This is the IP address we have assigned, and this is the name. So now to execute the file, we have to use the command called docker exec. So for that, we also need the container ID of Nginx. So this is the command which we are going to use to execute. You just have to copy paste the container ID for this. So this is the container ID. Just copy here, paste. Done. So here we are in the root of Nginx as well. Again, using a simple Linux command, we are going to see if anything needs to be installed. So again, using docker ps, we will just see what are the containers we have created. So here we can see that this is the container ID of Nginx which we have created. This is the port number, and 000, this indicates that it's a local IP address. Anyone can access it. This is the name of Nginx. And likewise, we have also created this for Ubuntu. And the which is used is bin bash mode. So this is all about today's practical. Thank you so much.